Welcome to Interactive Short Locator Overview for Physical Verification System. In next few minutes through this video demo you would learn how to find shorts in the layout design using PVS Interactive Short Locator. This is designed to help new users learn and use LVS Shorts debugging feature more effectively. This video may have been recorded before minor changes were made to the product user interface that it is illustrating, or it may be based on an earlier release of the product. In either instance, the features and workflows described in this video are still applicable to the current release of the product. This video covers the following module from PVS Interactive Short Locator Application Rack. Confirming the cause of the short without modifying the layout. This particular video on confirming the cause of the short without modifying the layout is part of video series on the PVS Interactive Short Locator Application Rack. The full video series covers the following two modules. Welcome to the Module 2 of this Interactive Short Locator Rack video series. In Module 1, we have identified that there is a contact between metal 2 con and the metal 3 con, which is the cause of this short. Now let us do the what-if analysis for finding the shorts in the design without actually changing the layout. Module 2.1 Using Results tab, by selected shape. In this module we would be using Results tab to confirm if the selected shape is a short. In the Results tab, select Common Shapes, shape number 3, layer, via 2_out_cap-in. Click on the Short button to mark it as short. You can notice that the selected shape 3 is now marked as short. This marked shape will be ignored during the next run. Click on Run button to rerun the short locator. When the run completes, notice the message short not found for label CLK 25 MHz is displayed in an interactive branch. It means that, if you remove shape 3 from the design, there will be no path between CLK 25 MHz and VDDVSS anymore. Go to the Split tab. Here you can find list of disabled shapes. In our example shape 3 is listed. Select the shape to see it on the layout window. Removal of the contact and rerunning the short locator confirms that the contact was the cause of the short in this design, between label CLK 25 MHz and VDDVSS labels. This what-if analysis was done without changing the layout. Module 2.2 Using Split tab, by boundary box. In this module we would be using Split tab to confirm the short. Select the disabled shape 3, and press on Restore button to enable it. Now press Run button to rerun the tool. When completed, the Interactive Short Locator switches to Results tab. Select the Common Shapes. In the Results tab, select Common Shapes, shape number 3, layer, via 2_out_cap-in. Let's assume that selected contact is root cause of the short. Go to Split tab, and click on Add Split Box button. In the Layout Editor, Select Boundary Box to disable the shape. If there is more than one layer underneath the boundary box, then a pop-up window will appear with list of layers. Select Layer via 2_out_cap ind and press Select button. Boundary box coordinates and layer name will appear in the list. Click on the Run button to rerun the short locator. The results tell you that no shorts were found for label CLK 25 MHz. Removal of the contact and rerunning the short locator confirms that the contact was the cause of the short in this design between label CLK 25 MHz and VDD/VSS labels. This what-if analysis was done without changing the layout. Note: in addition to the short not found for label CLK 25 MHz, you can see message shorts for label VDD and path 1 VDD VSS. This means that in spite of the fact that short between CLK 25 MHz and VDD VSS is fixed, there is another short in the design between labels VDD and VSS. When more than two labels took part in the short and short for the primary label is fixed. Interactive Short Locator always searches for short between remaining labels. This helps to avoid rerunning LVS in case of multiple labels short. This video covered using Results tab to confirm if the selected shape is a short. Marking shape as short. Using Split tab to confirm the short by boundary box. Adding split box. Using boundary box pop-up window to select the shape to disable. For more information about this topic, see the PVS user guide.